I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the asset. Import your mesh and confirm UVs and normals are clean. Open the shader settings and switch to a PBR Metal Rough shader that exposes an opacity channel. Once done, add a fill layer for the base color and set up an initial black mask to control where transparency will appear. Make sure to use 8-bit or 16-bit textures depending on precision needs, and keep your document size consistent so opacity behaves predictably across maps. Next, create the opacity mask that actually makes parts transparent. You can paint directly into the layer mask or use a generator like grunge or dirt for organic holes. Remember, black equals transparent and white equals opaque, so adjust levels or add a levels node to fine-tune thresholds. Once satisfied, link that mask to the material opacity channel and enable transparency blending mode in the viewport. Make sure to preview under proper lighting so you can evaluate edge transitions and translucency. Finish by refining edges and sorting behavior. Choose Alpha Blend for smooth fades or Alpha Test for crisp cutouts. Alpha Test is cheaper, but can produce hard edges. Disable backface culling or enable double-sided rendering if thin geometry disappears. Once done, export opacity as an RGBA or separate map per your engine's requirements. If you see sorting artifacts or flicker, make sure textures are high enough precision. Adjust polygon order in your engine, and test with the target renderer to confirm the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.